Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can get the Stadia Premiere for free as long as you've had YouTube Premium and are eligible throughout the other settings and everything. So first off, we're going to go into here. I'll show you guys, this right here is the Chromecast Ultra, which is a part of the Stadia Premiere Edition, and you also get the, I think it's technically listed as the clearly white because it's clearly white controller for the Stadia. As far as eligibility, you have to have had an active paid YouTube Premium subscription as of November 6th. So that means that as of the release of this bundle, you're not able to finesse the system and just get it for free or sign up for a trial membership and get this for free. Unfortunately, you do have to have already had this YouTube Premium subscription um, as of November 6th or before. Another thing for eligibility, you have to have been 18 years or older and live in the United States. One thing that a lot of people are confused about this with is that this offer started actually yesterday. I believe that was the very first out of all the regions. Um, and people from the United Kingdom were able to go through and activate this deal. But people in the United States had to wait actually until about an hour and a half before I'm recording this now to um, activate that deal. 18 years or older, resident of the United States, once again, that's not limited to other regions, but this is just the most recent. You have to accept the terms and conditions by November 20th, 2020. And you have to have or already have an existing Stadia Pro account or have had one in the past. So that does include Stadia Pro trials, a trial membership. And that has to be by November 29th. So the only reason people who are completely eligible but can't see the eligibility which would be on this screen. There's a little button. There's not for me because as it shows here, offer claimed. Um, the only reason that a lot of people are confused about is that your Stadia account has to be pro membership, and you also have to link your Stadia and your YouTube account. So very easy, not hard at all. You're just gonna want to go into your Stadia settings after you log in. You have to already have had an account for that. As you can see, I have uh, I have my Stadia Pro membership. It costs $10 a month, and I just activated it today, and I already canceled it from renewing, so it's gonna cancel on December 11th, 2020, and that though I get to use my pro membership for the rest of this month. And because of that, now that checks off that little spot in the eligibility section. Other than that, you gotta go to the YouTube tab, and right here, obviously, if you haven't done this already, it's gonna say link, but you're gonna want to link your YouTube account that has had YouTube Premium since November 6th to your Stadia account. And as long as you do that, you'll see the little button here. You can claim your offer. You'll get this first email, which is just saying, thanks for accepting the terms and conditions. In about an hour, you'll be receiving an email with a personal redemption link. So I waited, I got my email. I actually didn't even wait that long. It was about less than 25 minutes. But right here is my promotion code. Obviously, you guys can't try to finesse that either. I already took it. But you can follow this link that they give you as well, right here, to the Google Store. And that'll lead you through everything. And just as further proof, here we go. Subtotal $99. Promotional discount minus $99.99. They didn't charge me anything with tax or shipping, so I spent nothing, and this Stadia Premiere Edition is supposed to be delivered by December 9th through the 10th. So that's actually really not even bad at all, especially considering I didn't pay anything for this. I'm gonna be waiting about a month for it. So I hope that I helped you guys figure out exactly how and if you're able to sign up for this. If you did like this video, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.